Yeah, welcome back. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV, the fastest growing crypto live stream in Africa. Yes, we bring to you all the news, live breaking news, what's happening in the crypto space, what's happening on the blockchain uh, space. Yes, please come through, invite your friends, invite your neighbors, invite everyone. Share the live stream to your colleagues, to everyone. Tell them the Empire Crypto TV is live here. We bring you the hot news on the space. We want everyone to be updated, to keep updated with what's happening on the space. And of course, please, as usual, please indicate where you're watching this live stream from. Do tell us on the comment section where you are coming from, so that we are a family here. We care for each other. We grow together. We going up together. Want everyone to make money on the space. To let us know in the comment section where you watch this live stream from. And of course, today we've got our guests who are going to unpack so much information about what's been happening on the crypto for this whole week. In fact, for this was the sentiments of the crypto in August. What's happening in August? How are we looking? And the good news so far is that we kicked off for August in a very bullish way, and looking forward to finish the same way. But of course, we need to do the analysis and see where we're going. Where are we going on this market? And let me check if our guests are here. Do indicate where you're watching from? Yes, welcome, Lungelo, coming from all the way from Durban. Welcome on the Empire Crypto TV. I'm your host, the Crypto King here. All right, we see we've got Nozip watching all the way from Johannesburg. Nozip, welcome to the Empire Crypto TV. Please do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go on our YouTube channel, press Empire Crypto TV. Subscribe there so that you do not miss the information that we share on a daily basis here. And of course, we've got Temba Mabaso. I'm watching from Benoni. Welcome, Temba. Welcome, Temba. Invite your friends, share this live broadcast to other groups, to other pages, and let's get moving. All right, let me see. Let me check if our guests are here for tonight. Cindy, are you there? I'm trying to get hold of Cindy if she's there, if she's available to join us on the live stream, and we unpack this information. Let me see. Trax, are you there?
Hello, I'm right here. Sir.
Wonderful. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. What do you have for us, man? What do you have for us? Unfortunately, I can't see your face there.
Yes.
Well, we shall do with what we can for the day. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Please introduce yourself, my man.
Thank you so much for having me, and my deepest apologies for not being able to see my face. I don't know, these technological gadgets, man, sometimes they give us problems, you know. I've tried everything. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I have on the screen here, basically we'll be going through 3 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. So we are starting off with Bitcoin, right? And as you can see on the chart, Bitcoin has been in a serious rally over the years. Yeah.
All right. Before
Yes,
then, Okay. Let me just pull up the chart. Let me see if
Hello?
I can pull up the chart. Just a minute. Let me see if I can pull up the chart. All right. So tell me
Okay.
something. How has been this month, man? We are on the first week, so to say, second week, going to second week of August, and we see the
Yeah.
market has been bullish. The market has been actually green all across the industry. What do you think of the whole market? What exactly is happening? What makes the market so green across?
So, well, as a technical trader or as a technical investor, so to say, uh, I can say that the market has been really dependent on what the likes of Elon Musk, post on Twitter and all of that, and that sort of triggers the sentiment. The people start jumping in numbers and pushing the price up. But me having to look at my charts, I see that okay, price came all the way from like we'll talk about Bitcoin now. Price moved all the way from 4,350 and shot up, and then yeah, shot up to around 64,500, and then from there it fell. It started falling, and it fell all the way to around $30,000, and it tested this zone. So it tested this zone about 3 times or so. It failed to break there, and then just from around the 20th of July, then it made its move up. Then it made its move up, but now it's currently moving around 46,500, and this is a very critical zone, because buyers will start losing steam around here. As you can see, I have a nice pennant formation there, of which it was broken, and this zone right here, around the blue line there, the price of $43,000 was almost tested, and this tells me that price will be falling from this zone and past $30,000 to around this zone right here, 12,800. So currently, I am not involved in the crypto space. I am not buying because of what I'm seeing here. I will start. I will start getting involved around the prices that I've indicated. Um, I'll wait for the $30,000 zone break, and then I'll start getting involved around 12,500. And if it falls lower than that, then it's great opportunities for me still. If it falls to $4,000, then I'll start loading up like I'm crazy. I'll start loading up like I'm crazy on Bitcoin and ride it all the way up, because from there, uh, price will go back to around $65,000 and break that zone right there. It will break that zone right there, and unfortunately, the chart doesn't allow me to see beyond that. But we are going up. We will be going up from there.
All right, tell me something. So you mean the price is yet to go down and pass
Yes.
support of $30,000? But we've seen several times the
Yeah.
Bitcoin trying to break the support of $30,000. In fact, it went
Yes.
down as far as $29,000 in the past
Yes.
few weeks, but it couldn't break
Yes.
going down. I mean, why do you think it can still break up to the zones of $12,000?
So the area that you are talking about of around 29, it was actually, yeah, around $28,800. It's exactly the the price where I've put this purple line at. You are right. It tried to break, but it failed. Instead, it turned and went all the way up. But we have a nice triangle that's forming here. We have a nice triangle that's forming here, and price has tested about 3 times. So the fourth time it will break all the way down. This is a clear signal for me. It's a very, very clear signal that after from that fall from around 64,500 to here, and then this is basically a corrective leg. This is a correction. This is a correction of a move that's going down. So I'm not gonna be involved in this. I am not gonna be involved in this. If anything, instead I could sell Bitcoin as a trader, but because I don't like trading cryptocurrencies, I want to keep cryptocurrencies like stocks long term. So once I see such patterns, I stay away from either stocks or cryptocurrencies.
Tell me, fundamentally, we see big institutions coming on board.
Yes,
Obvious, when the big guys come on board, they increase the volumes. I mean, there'll be a lot of
yes.
money coming into the space and increasing the volume. How would Bitcoin go down, especially when the investors come on board and buying in large numbers, in huge numbers? How how possible that it can, I mean, still go down?
Yes, that's a beautiful point right there. That's a beautiful point right there. But one thing that you need to bear in mind, Elson, is that the same institutions that you are talking about, the same market makers that you are talking about, can and have the power to manipulate the market. So, despite them moving into the market, they still have the power to drive the price. You see, what happens is, in this leg right here, in this bullish leg that you see here, they are basically trapping buyers. This is a buy trap. So they know that a majority of people are currently buying the cryptocurrencies, in large numbers, right? And then just as everyone has now bought in this leg, then they will take the opposite side. They will take the opposite side. But as for me, based on what I'm seeing in the market right now, technically, I'm off cryptocurrencies. I will see cryptocurrencies once the $30,000 zone has been successfully broken and 12,500 has been reached. And then I'll start getting involved. For now, yeah, I'll sit on my hands.
All right, tell me something. How far can it go up? Because we see in the past 2 weeks or so, Bitcoin moved from $32,000 to $43,000. It actually traded around $43,000 for some time
Yes,
until it moved to $46,000. In fact, yesterday it actually came back to 43, but now it's around $46,000. It looks bullish. I mean, it looks like it wants to break on a bullish
yes.
move. Where do you think it can move to, and where do you think what's the level where it can move to?
Okay. The highest level that it can. So what's going to happen is, what could happen is this: after the fall, from the current price at 46,400, or maybe around this zone right here, because markets tend to touch zones and not the exact prices. So this zone right here is a very critical zone for me. Right. I say that price will move from there to 12,300, and then anywhere from here, anywhere from here or here, right? Price will then go all the way up back to 6,500 and break it and when it breaks it, then it will start moving towards 70,000 and then make its way up to your 80,000, 100,000 and up until it reaches a point where it will start retracing just a bit and then move all the way up. So I can tell you that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be on a serious rise after this has taken place.
So you mean bears have to take place first before the
Yeah.
next bull run? Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
So at this point in time, are you saying 46,000 is not going to hold? It's not going to go up. It's not, the market is actually stopping at 46, going down.
Yes.
What's
From
the next level? What's your next level from 46? Is it going to 60,000 or is going
so
to 80 or is going down straight away from there?
so from around this zone right here, from around the $46,000 zone, I'm expecting price to come back to 30,000. Right? I'm expecting price to come back to 30,000. But first, before it comes to 30,000, it will have to break this zone right here, the $43,000 zone. This zone right here in the blue, in the
Okay.
blue color. Yeah. And then it will go to 30,000 because it will be touching it for the fourth time. It will break it hard. It might even form a very long bearish candle here. Might form a very long bearish candle because it's been trying to break it, but it's been failing. So the fourth time around, trust me, it's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be a serious bloodbath. And then after that has taken place, it will come to around 12,500. And anywhere from there, then I consider jumping in. From 12,500, and if it falls lower than that zone, then it would be my luckiest opportunity. It will be my greatest opportunity to load even more because it will be way cheaper. And then from here, it will rocket all the way back to around $65,000 and break that zone. Then from there, it's all bullish moves.
Empire Fam, welcome to Empire Crypto TV. We are here analyzing the market with our guest for tonight, Tumelo Trucks Motsepe. He's our guest speaker for tonight. Please do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you learn as much as you can. There are so many videos you're going to learn on our channel. Welcome one more time on the African's fastest crypto growing channel. Thank you so much for coming through. Trucks, what's
Yes,
your
sir.
what's your next coin? What's your next coin?
The next
Let's go
coin.
to Ether.
The next coin will be Bitcoin Cash.
Bitcoin Cash. Okay, let's see
Yeah.
it. Well, bring the chart. Let's see.
So the same thing applies to Bitcoin Cash, because Bitcoin Cash and many other cryptocurrencies are correlated to Bitcoin. So whatever that Bitcoin does, they also tend to do it. So just zooming into Bitcoin Cash, we can see that this is an analysis I did a couple of days or weeks ago. So Bitcoin Cash did the same, more or less the same thing that that Bitcoin did. It rose from here all the way up to there. So it rose from, okay, my computer is, sorry, just give me a second there. All
All
right.
right.
So price moved all the way from $200 all the way up to $1,630, more or less. And then it fell from there. It fell hard from there. And it came right here at around three, okay, let's just say $400. This zone right here, $400. And what did it do from that level? It rose. This is the leg that gives you the greens that you see in the market. So you said when the show started that everything is just green. Indeed, everything is just green, and it's all good and well. But we are in this leg. We are in this leg. This leg right here will reach this level at around 725. From there, I expect the market to fall. I expect Bitcoin Cash to make its way down to around. It will first go back to where it failed to break, which was around $200, and then fall further down to around uh, $78 or so, or even $80. And then from there, it will make its way up all the way over time, over a couple of maybe 2 or 3 years or so. It will go back to this level right here. It will go back to this level right here at the price of $4,000. But this is a long-term play. So for an investor like myself, I want to be involved. I want to be involved anywhere from $175 or even lower, maybe around $100 or so. I want to be involved there and then ride Bitcoin Cash all the way up to $40,000 and actually break the zone and go all the way up to $6, $7, $10, $20,000 and hold my coins for a very, very long time until I decide to, yeah, I don't know, sell a portion or whatever.
All right. Tell me, are you on the crypto space? Are you a trader or are you an investor, long-term investor?
I'm both.
Okay.
I am both. I tend I okay. I invest in the crypto space, the crypto and the stock market, right? Long term. But my decisions are based on my technical analysis. So I cannot just dump money into the market before I convince myself of where the market is going.
Okay.
I tend to buy I tend to buy low and sell high, and never buying high or selling low.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Let me just see if I can bring the another screen here. All right. Here we've got the coin market cap. Let me see if I can actually zoom. Um, we see Ethereum. It's also coming from. It actually was struggling at $2,000. It went to 1.9, $1,900, and of course
Yes,
now it has broken through. It's around $3,223, $3,223, and it's looking like it's bullish. It has gone over in the past 24 hours. It has gone 6% up. What do you think of
yes.
Ethereum? And do you also suspect it's going down, or I mean, it's going up?
The same thing. The same thing. Uh, like I said, what Bitcoin does, these other big cryptocurrencies tend to do. You know, um, if you can just load up my screen there, just load up my screen and let me show you what I think Ethereum is gonna do. Yes. So now we are on the Ethereum screen, right? So what happened is this with Ethereum. So Ethereum rose all the way up from around four, around the same thing, pretty much the same patterns. It rose all the way from what price is this? From 380, from 380 um to around $4,350, right? And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
it fell from there to this zone, pretty much the same thing as Bitcoin. If you can take a look at these charts, you will realize that they are doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing. Exactly. So price failed to break $1,700. It also tested the zone 3 times, exactly just like Bitcoin. Exactly just like Bitcoin. It tested it 3 times, and then it went up to around the current price of we are now sitting at 3227. Yeah, this zone right here. So for me, this is a very critical zone. This is a very critical zone, considering that over the past couple of days, price has actually broken our rising wedge pattern. Our rising wedge pattern. So this was our rising wedge pattern, which was broken. So you will see that price broke that rising wedge pattern, and it's currently making a correction. So where the market breaks, um, it has to test that area, and then before it can start rocketing down. So we made this move. We broke this level to come here, and then price rose from there to the critical level. So what's going to happen is price is going to, from there, it's going to become bearish. So I expect price to move from that zone all the way back to $1,700 and break it and go to around $800. And if we are lucky, if it falls further, if it falls below $800, then it will reach around $350. And then from there, we start loading hard. We start loading hard, because now the coin will be super cheap, and then we ride all the way back to where it started falling, at the price of $4,000, and then ride it all the way up to $10,000 and beyond. So this is my take.
Hey man, you're scaring the shit out of me, man. So you mean the market can still go down that much? I mean, look, it's
Yeah,
good to for the market to go down. We especially we are traders. We also investors. We
yeah,
really in the middle of nowhere. Why I'm saying this is that look, w- on the other hand, you want the market to go up, you want the Bitcoin to go to 100,000, but on the other hand, also we want the Bitcoin to come down so that we can accumulate as much as we can. But of course,
exactly.
when we start talking about Ethereum coming to $350 from
Yes, sir.
$3,000 where it is now, I mean, that will
Yes, sir.
scare a lot of people, man. They will think that's where the faint-hearted will start thinking the market has crashed or something.
You see, the aim is not to be fearful of the market. The fact is this: the fact is cryptocurrencies are here to stay. That's a fact. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay. But even when they are here to stay, price has to move up and down, and it moves up and down at correct prices, because I will never buy, like for instance, I will never have bought Bitcoin at 64,000 only to see it drop to 30,000 or even lower, there's no way.
You're
Then I
breaking up,
started.
yeah.
Sorry, my network is a bit bad. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
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 I'm
man.
saying I started buying Bitcoin. Uh, can you hear me now? Okay, clear.
Yes,
I
yeah,
started
man.
I
Should
started getting involved from around. Can you hear me?
you're breaking up, man. We hear you, then you
Uh,
disappear. But yeah, shoot, man.
yeah. So I started getting involved at around $3,500 and exited the $64,000 because I could see. Whose phone is that? Yeah.
No, yeah, man. Shoot. It's on
So
my side.
not a problem. So I started buying Bitcoin from around 3,000, yeah, this zone 3,500, and made sure that I exit at $64,000. And just to after I exited the market, the price fell hard. It fell hard because what I saw was this pattern right here. This is the pattern that made me exit the market at $64,000. It was a wedge, a rising wedge, which was broken and it got retested. It was a rising wedge that got broken and it got retested, and it price continued to fall. Price continued to fall. This retracement right there, price continued to fall to $30,000, and it's still gonna make its way down to around $12,500. So that's how I make decisions in the market. They are entirely and partially based on fundamentals, but my technicals way more than fundamentals.
All right, thank you, Empire Crypto Firm. We are here on Empire Crypto TV. We've got our guest for tonight, Trax, and you can hear him. He's very bearish on the market. He's saying the market is coming down, and of course, that's his the analysis. Um, all right, Trax, tell me, what are your best coins for short term? Give us three coins for short
Honestly,
term. Yeah.
for short term, look, I'm just gonna be honest with you. There is nothing that fascinates me right now. Absolutely nothing. Not even Bitcoin fascinates me right now. I don't care about the greens that I'm seeing because these are just market corrections. So it's just corrections of a market that's falling. I'm not excited about that. I'm not excited. I'm not excited about this move right here. I'm not. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm not. I'm not excited about the move from $30,000 to the current price of $46,000, because I know, based on past experiences, I have over 10 years doing this. So I know that such levels are very critical, and price is gonna fall. You see, in the coming days, it will be a bloodbath in the market. And mark my words, it's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be a bloodbath, a
So
serious
are
one,
you
man.
so are you saying this is the best time to sell?
This is the best time to sell partially, some of your holdings. But if you feel that you want to hodl, then hold on for dear life. Then I suppose we will meet at around 3,400 or $12,000 Bitcoin, and then we ride it all the way up together. But at least I wouldn't have taken a knock. I wouldn't have taken a knock compared to a person that has bought at 64,000 and then lost almost half of their holdings, half of the value of their holdings. Yeah, that's a serious knock, having to buy at $64,000 and only to see the price come down to $3,500 for Bitcoin. I wouldn't do that to myself.
All right, Christoph, Empire FM, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's so much information on the channel that you can learn from. Remember, this channel is for beginners and advanced traders. So if you're still getting into the space, do not forget to subscribe and learn as much as you can. There's so much information you can get from there. All right, Trucks, give us in the next few minutes, we are closing now. Give us some few
Yeah.
words about the whole market, about what's happening in the market.
Okay, so yeah, we've already highlighted the potential moves that might happen in the market, and yeah, to all the new investors and investors that are quite experienced. I mean, this is just purely based on my perception, own perceptions about the market, you know. Uh, but I'm really looking forward to buying these currencies these cryptocurrencies that I've analyzed today in your show. Really hoping to buy them at a cheaper price, and see them rise all the way up to higher prices,
Uh, okay,
and
you're breaking up.
yeah, so I was saying, I hope this information will be valuable to your viewers, and yeah, let's buy cryptocurrencies together when the prices are cheaper, so that we can make serious amounts of money. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Trucks. Thanks for the information. Thanks for coming
Thank
through as our guest for
you.
tonight. And looking forward to touch base with you in the future also. And there is so much information to consume on this space. And of course, with guys like you who see things differently, of course, look, there's so much happening, and obvious, no one has got the 100% analysis to say this is where everything is going, and stuff. I mean, we have had
Yes, sir.
so many analysis in the past, people calling big numbers, people calling low numbers, but obviously the market takes a different direction. I mean, there are so many
Yes,
factors that contribute to the movement of the market. It
yes,
can be fundamentally, it can be technically, like what we're doing now. But yeah, look, when you analyze the market, you take all these things into consideration. And yeah, of course. Thanks for coming through, Barry.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me.
Great stuff, man. All right, Empire Fam, that was Trax talking about where the market is going. He's bringing his own analysis on the show. And of course, always advise people to do their own analysis, do your own research, do your own research, spend time on the market, spend time on the chart, and of course, get so much um, information from different sources before you take any action. We are not financial advisors here, but we say let's grow together, let's go up together. And yes, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. And of course, let's meet again next week on Tuesday. We are looking to grow this channel bigger and bigger. Stay in touch, stay with us. There's so much that you're going to learn from this channel. All right, stay foolish, stay hungry. Good night.